Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful bracelet with beads. They kind of look like pom-pom balls. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need 3 different color yarns. I have pink, blue, and yellow. Now you'll need to cut them in the same size and then tie a knot right there, like that. Next, you'll have to braid. And for those of you who do not know how to braid yet, don't worry, I'll show you. So, first divide it into 3. Like, the middle one goes here, this one goes here, and this one goes here in mine. So, you will need to take any one side and then put it in the middle, and then put this there. Next, you'll take the other side and put it in the middle and tighten it a little bit. And you'll keep doing that until you will get something like this. I already made this for you guys because it took me a lot of time braiding this thing. So I have this beautiful yarn all braided up. And now if you want to have like the beads there, you will need beads with big holes, like this big, because you have to make sure all the yarn can go through it. So, you will need to take your yarn and like do this and like roll it a little so that it gets a little thinner. And then when it gets thin, just put it through, like so. Like this. Okay, and like when you make it through, it's okay if you don't get it on your first try actually, because it's kind of hard putting the bead through. So for those of you who like get frustrated a little, don't worry, you're not alone. Okay, next, after you got your bead, put it right where you want it. Then after that, make a knot like that, and you have one bead there. Now you have to do that with the other beads, and I already have this one to show you guys. You'll end up with something like this. I only put 3 beads in here. I want it to be simple. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching it. Please like, subscribe, and share it. Thank you. Bye.